Hello pilots, and welcome back to Sporty's Pilot Shop for another new product checklist. This is where the experts at Sporty's take the top 10 new products that we've recently added to our collection and bring them straight to you. This is the new product checklist for March 2025. The first item on our list is the ChockMate tie down, and it's perfect for everyone that's flying to Oshkosh this year. It comes with 3 of these ground anchors. And they have these holes in there where the massive 13-inch spikes go. So if you're tying your aircraft down in the grass, you put these in and you can tie down the wings as well as the tail. When it's time to pull it up, you have this nice custom hammer that has this little indent on it to help you pull out these spikes from the ground. It includes these huge ropes with these clips on them, so we can clip this to our ground anchor and then tie it to our aircraft. When you're ready to go, all these pieces come out and go back into this nice custom bag. If you're not tying your aircraft down into the grass, you can use these as wheel chocks. All these items come together in this very convenient kit bag, and it's just under 100 bucks. Number 2 on our list is these ACSs. They're the Airman Certification Standards. We have 3 different books available, private, instrument, as well as commercial. These are the same items you're going to find digitally inside of our Learn to Fly course app. These printed versions are very convenient for in the cockpit because they're spiral bound and you can tuck them around like this. It's perfect for on your lap while you're doing flight instruction. Number 3 on our list are these lighted signs from Sporty's Aviation Gifts. And these are perfect to hang on an entryway to a hangar or a basement, or even maybe the local pub down the street. We have the arrivals version as well as the departures version, one for each side. Number 4 on our list is this Core P1 headset. P1 headset has all the features you want and none of the ones you don't. It's a very simple headset, passive noise attenuation with a adjustable mic boom and 1 volume control. It does have a 3.5mm jack here on the bottom, so we can input for-flight alerts through the headphones. This robust headset features a 5-year warranty and it won't break the bank. It retails for right around $120. There are lots of items inside this ACS that you have to do to get your private pilot license. And these logbook flags help identify those. Whether it's your 100-mile cross country or your night flying requirements, there's a separate flag for each that you can pin on your logbook. This makes it really easy to find during your check ride. Number 6 on our list is this Emergency Strategies Manual from our friends at PilotWorkshops. PilotWorkshops takes complicated topics and explains them in layman terms. This manual is a simplified approach to handling in-flight emergencies in the cockpit. Lots of full-color graphics and lots of text go through several different emergency situations. These manuals are a great reference as they lay flat on the table when you're trying to review them. Purchasing this manual also includes the digital version, which is available in our pilot training app. Number 7 on our list is this Coast dual color Cobb Cliplight. This simple little light has 1 button to activate the white or the red light and has a clip on the back so I can clip it to my pocket or to my seatbelt. There's a magnet on the back of this light that makes it easy to attach to a toolbox, and at 15 bucks, it's a great value. AeroWear produces premium pilot polos, and this is their latest 2 designs available here at Sporty's Pilot Shop. This first one is called Airfoil and is layered with airfoils across the front that any pilot will be able to recognize. Our second one here is called Nose Cone, and it has a bunch of aircraft nose cones all the way across the front with one of a different color. There are lots more AeroWear designed polos on our website at sportys.com. Number 9 on our list is the Flat Outfitters Flight Deck Pro bag. This all-black bag is at home at our flight school here at Sporty's, as well as on the flight deck of commercial airliners. It features tons of organizational pockets here on the front. There is a Velcro patch holder right here, so you can put your favorite 737 patch on the front. On the inside, it has rooms for 2 headsets with headset hangers, so you can suspend your headsets and keep them from rolling around the bottom of the bag. The rear of the bag features this strap that makes it easy to slide over rolling luggage. Number 10 on our list is this RealSimGear Cirrus Cockpit. Home flight simulators have come a long way, and this is at the top of the line of home flight simulation. This accurately represents a Cirrus aircraft, both in the avionics as well as the hardware. You can find more information on these custom-built Cirrus cockpits on our website at sportys.com. Those are our 10 favorite new products that we've recently added here at Sporty's Pilot Shop. Be sure to tune in next month when we go over our next top 10 list.